Mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. After that, record an empty background for a few seconds, then you walk in, alright? Do as if you are looking on something imaginary, alright? Then after that, you bring out your remote, then you do as if you press it to blast something. Then after that, you can now walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video and go and locate volume. Click on volume, guys, reduce it to 0, mark on that good and go back. Locate where you want the video to start. At this point, before you come out, click on the video now, make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. So at this point, you click on overlay, add overlay. Import your green screen car. If you need it, DM me. I will send it to you. Click on it, locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. So at this point, you click on it and go and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it up. Mark on this good and go back. Click on it. Locate adjust, guys. Go and look for adjust. Click on adjust, HSL. Click on it, click on green, reduce saturation to 0, mark on this good and go back. Then you click on your car now and expound it. After expounding it, you place it on a position. After making your necessary adjustment, okay, let us look at it. There is something we are going to do. That explosion, okay, I don't like it. So we are going to be blending the car background with the original background. Click on it and go and look for mask, okay. Locate mask, click on mask now, all right. Click on rectangle, then you use feather icon. After doing, you use feather icon to blend it. After blending it, you expound it, all right. After expounding it now, then you do your necessary adjustment. Then after that, then you can mark on that good and go back after you are done. Then now we want to be at this point, you can see that the video is too short. Click on this place, go and look for freeze. All right, look for freeze, okay. Go and locate freeze now. Click on freeze, guys. Then you freeze this part, adjust this one. Click on the freeze part and drag it so that you will get the point where you pressed the remote, so that everything will blend. So you adjust it, it's still not okay, then you still adjust it more, get the point where you press your remote, this point, all right, and drag it to come and blend. After blending it now, then you come back. We want to remove the unwanted parts, all right. Click on this point now, click on this place, make a split, delete the last background, we don't need it again, then blend here. After that, now let's play the video from the beginning, then let's see what it look like. Go and play the video from the beginning. Play the video, let us see what we have got, whether there is an adjustment or not. All right, look at it, a size patient. Let's see how the video look. Then you bring out your remote, then you blast the car. That is all right. So at this point, I think and I believe I know that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those effects. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery, okay. So at this point now, what will be remaining here is to export our video, okay. So you click on export now and export your video to your gallery. As you can see, it's exporting. Now this video I've exported completely. It has installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay. And remember, if you need that green screen card, DM me, I will send it to you, okay. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.